in, sire.
Yeah, a pint would be good.
Good morning, sire. What can I get for you?
A pint of your finest ale.
Certainly. There, sire.
You?
Ah, so knight in shining armour, eh? From the USA, I believe.
I am.
I understand you guys are pretty good at playing pool.
Occasionally.
Well, what about USA versus Cornwall?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Choose your weapon. All right. There we go. I'm ready. You break.
Is that allowed?
It is now. Can I buy you an ale?
Terry, what can I say? I'm all out of childhood dreams. This was the biggest one I could think of, and you helped me realize it. Thank you for your hospitality, your incredible design and skill and tutelage. I am in your debt.
Adam, it's been an absolute pleasure, mate. It really has. You're a great guy, and just keep it polished.
I will. I will. Thank you, sir. And I hope this is not the last time we play together. See you next time.
I'm sure there'll be more.
Yes. All right. I'm off to home. To America!